My name is David Roeder, and I help network marketers improve their marketing across the board. Doesn't matter what company you're in, doesn't matter what service you're providing, what product you're sharing. I help you improve your marketing so that you can target the right audience. For years, we're taught to call friends and family because I've been in network marketing since 2011, and I've had a little success here and there. Nothing great, nothing to explain, so I know the struggle. So if you're struggling with network marketing, it's not what you're doing, it's who you're targeting. Do you want to build a business of network marketers, or do you want to build a business of strangers, friends and family, so to speak? Now, most of the time, friends and family don't get involved. It's a lost cause. And then you keep calling the same people over and over again, hoping that somebody's going to get involved. And if they do, it's because they want to keep you from calling them again, just to get you off their back. So they say, oh, okay, I'll get started. And with that is that you may get in and you may get a little commission, but after a couple of weeks or a month or 2 months, they quit and you can't get a hold of them again. They don't take your call. They don't read your email. They don't read your text message. Crickets. I know how that goes. I've been ghosted so many times. Now, it's typical, right? How many network marketers make it? Only a small percentage. And in the beginning, they told me to pick up the phone, smile and dial. Smile and dial. It helps you feel good about yourself, which is good. You can do that. And you don't want to necessarily pitch them your business. Call them to say hi, see how they're doing. When you care about people, then people will care what you're doing. And maybe they'll join you, right? But you got to target the right people. So if you're just calling friends and family up, people that you know, it's unlikely they're going to join you. And what you want to do is target qualified people. Like when you're building an army, do you want to build an army of soldiers or civilians? Well, I want to build an army of soldiers because they know what to do. They know where to go, what to do, when to do it, how to do it, when to attack, when to not to attack. Civilians don't know that. And they are not going to pay you to teach them. If you're a leader, leaders will pay you to lead them if you know more than them or you have the tools that they don't have. So if you want to learn how you can target the right audience, you can go to my website. Well, I'll leave in the comments below and you take a look at it. If it's for you, you get back to me. If it's not, great, no big deal. I'm not here to twist your arm. So I look forward to hearing from you and you have a great day. Now.